Welcome to Love Boat Cruising. I'm your host, Angie, and today I thought I'd talk a little bit about some pre-cruise items. The fare is all paid for along with the Princess Protection, so if I need to, I can change my mind at the last minute for any reason. I actually did change my mind several times before settling on the particular itinerary, and but it was fine. I could just move over my deposit and finally pick the right itinerary for me. I ordered my medallion and I am going to have it shipped to me along with that fancy necklace medallion holder because it was on sale. I reserved my dining times using the app, and I selected to have the same people serving me every night and the same time every night. I booked excursions, but I have to say I keep changing my mind, but that's okay. I keep paying and then canceling and paying and canceling, so we'll see what happens by the time I get on the ship. I can still cancel or change up to a couple days, I think. I'm very excited because this year I am going to be traveling with my own balcony because last year I was in an inside cabin and it was just a lot of people out on the deck and difficult to get privacy. I've been studying the Naturalist Guide and the maps, so really excited to use my GoPro and do some time-lapse video of all the ports. We're going to Skagway first after 3 sea days, and then I believe it's the Tracy Arm Fjord, then Juneau, then Ketchikan, and then Prince Rupert, followed by 2 sea days back to San Francisco. My budget traveling solo was $3,000 or so, but I was able to get a really nice balcony on the Carib deck for the same price as the base balconies on the Aloha deck. That's all for now, so please ask me any questions and look forward to my next videos where I'll talk more about packing and other tips and tricks. Bye.
Flying